stop doing that, please? Can you stop doing that? No, can you stop doing that? ആളുടെ സിബ് തുറന്നിട്ട് കുറെ നേരം ആള് ഇവിടുത്തെ കുറച്ച് പനി ഒപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. Are you okay? Is everything okay with you? Hey, is your zip open? It's not. It's not. It's not. Are you sure it's not? Are you sure? His zip was open. It's not there. Is the zip open? Is the zip open? Zip open ആണോ? കുറെ നേരം he was zip open. I just want to know if his zip was open. Zip open ആണ്. His shit was outside. Complaint ഉണ്ട്. Complaint ഉണ്ട്. തൊട്ടോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്നല്ല.